making money online in 2025. 5 easy, effective methods. The online world is growing faster than ever, and 2025 brings even more opportunities to earn money from the comfort of your home. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or build a full-time income, there are plenty of simple and effective ways to make money online. In this guide, we'll explore 5 easy ways you can start making money online in 2025 with minimal investment and effort. Step 1. Microtasking on AI-powered websites. AI is everywhere now, and companies need human input to train and improve their systems. Many websites pay users to perform small tasks such as labeling images, transcribing audio clips, answering surveys, testing AI responses. These tasks don't require special skills and can be done in your free time. How to get started. Visit microtasking platforms like Remotasks, Toloka, and Clickworker. Sign up and complete your profile to get access to available tasks. Work consistently to increase your earnings over time. Potential earnings. You can earn anywhere from $50 to $500 per month depending on your effort. Step 2. Selling AI-generated content. AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Midjourney have made content creation easier than ever. You can now create and sell ebooks, blog posts, social media graphics, YouTube scripts, presentation templates. Step 3. Renting out your digital skills locally. Instead of competing with millions of freelancers online, many small business owners still need help with creating social media pages, setting up websites, managing online ads, designing business cards and flyers. Since they may not know where to find help online, you can provide these services in your local community and charge good rates. How to get started. Identify local businesses that need help with their online presence. Offer free consultations to build trust and show what you can do. Use free tools like Canva and Wix to provide affordable services. Promote your services through WhatsApp, Facebook groups, and local events. Step 4. Affiliate marketing. Without a website, affiliate marketing allows you to earn money by promoting products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. The best part is, you don't need a website to start. You can use social media platforms, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Telegram groups. How to get started. Sign up for free affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Choose products you believe in and that fit your audience's interests. Step 5. Selling printables and digital downloads. People love buying digital downloads like planners, worksheets, art prints, and templates because they were affordable and instantly available. This makes selling printables a great passive income opportunity. How to get started. Use free tools like Canva to design printables such as budget planners, study guides, fitness trackers, home organization templates. Sell your designs on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even Facebook Marketplace. Market your products through Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok to reach a larger audience. Offer limited-time discounts and bundle deals to attract more buyers. Final tips for success in 2025. Be consistent. Making money online takes time, so stick with it even if you don't see results immediately. Keep learning. Stay updated with new trends and online opportunities to stay ahead. Making money online in 2025 doesn't have to be complicated. With these 5 easy methods, you can start earning from the internet without needing big investments or technical skills. Which method will you try first? Start today and take your first step towards online success.